To easily use a controller with Hogwarts Legacy on your PC, you need to first use a USB cable or Bluetooth. For Bluetooth, you may need to pair your PlayStation controller in Windows setting, so make sure that your Steam is running even if you bought the game on the Epic Games Store. Then configure Steam. Go to the Steam, go to Settings, then Controller, and then go to General Settings and check the box that matches your controller type like Xbox Configuration Support or PlayStation Configuration Support. Close the window and launch Hogwarts Legacy. On Steam version, select the game in your Steam library, look for the controller icon on the games page and click on it to enable Steam input and then click on Apply Layout. For a non-Steam version like Epic Games, add the game to the Steam as a non-Steam game and then add a game and then launch it from the Steam. Alternatively, just make sure that the Steam is running with the correct controller settings in the background before launching the game. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.